Hello and welcome to another episode of First Post, which is our new segment specifically about merchants, our wonderful local merchants like Taylor Raine. You go by Taylor Raine, right? We call you Taylor Raine, right?
Yeah.
Or just Taylor?
Just Taylor. You
Just
call
Taylor.
me Taylor Raine.
I think Taylor Raine is the thing that makes the most sense because it's Raine Boutique, and though technically your married name is not Raine, it's just like, it kind of just rolls off the tongue.
Yeah.
Taylor Raine. So we have Taylor from Raine Boutique here. She makes amazing t-shirts and amazing designs and actually built her business on Etsy before opening a downtown shop, which I thought was super cool. Mm-hmm. Obviously very technically savvy. A little bit of the backstory is I walked into Taylor's shop to inform her of virtual storefronts, and I asked, do you have a website? And I'm gonna let you respond to that.
No, I do not. I had Etsy, and I was doing all my own SEOs, kind of just
plugging in keywords into
just
Etsy.
trying to learn it as I go.
Right.
Doing it all myself.
So that you can be discovered online as much as possible.
Yeah.
With
And so then
that was your primary online presence was Etsy. Yep.
And I didn't want the maintenance of the admin side of a website, so I just chose to use Etsy because it seemed the simplest, user-friendly thing. And then when you started talking about SEO, I'm like, oh, I'm trying to learn that to myself. You do that for me?
So you were already looking for, you're already plugged in, so you're a young business owner in your 20s. You're already plugged into the idea of how to drive traffic and SEO. Mm-hmm. I come waltzing into your shop. You're the newest merchant on Main Street here in literally Main Street here in Andrews, and I'm like, well, you got to have a virtual storefront. And
I was like, wait, you do it for me? I don't have to keep tagging keywords.
That's right. So we created a storefront for Taylor, and now she's coming up in all kinds of searches. So I should just do the demo because I love this stuff. So if we're looking at purses, Andrews, and I'm not logged into any Google accounts, so there's no favoritism here. Google's already kicked me out. We see right here she's number 2 organic results. Now this has been live for about a month.
I've jumped because I was below these.
Oh, she's jumped above Courtyard. You were below both of those Gibsons. Mm-hmm. So both these businesses have been in business for years in this town. So that is her virtual storefront. We click that. This is what she doesn't have to maintain. Nothing to register.
Nope.
Simply just a simple online presence, but Jamel created this list of keywords here. Like you have 5XL, you have large shirts, which are really
hard to find.
Ray is interested in your design, by the way. He's really excited about it. So a lot of these items are being indexed, such as purses. So we have keywords for purses here, and that's what's bringing Raine Boutique up for in search results. So that's essentially keyword optimization for this business. Her storefront information is here. This is a straightforward listing and business details. Business hours are here, closed today, so she can be a guest on First Post. And then this you did a giveaway of gowns the other day, which is great.
Free prom event.
Yeah, that was really cool. And today we're going to post to your virtual storefront. So this is the first post that Taylor has done for her boutique, and we're having her do it taped. It's not live because we're not live right now.
And
but
I've never done it before.
She's never done this before, but the idea here is that we have someone who's actually quite skilled at TikTok. She's made amazing TikToks for us, which we really should have up so that everyone can see them. There's no pause on that, right, Ray? No? Okay. But if we just let tape run, you can cut in any case. So she's made amazing TikToks. This is someone who's very good at social media. And the one benefit I think that we can offer with virtual storefronts in our new post is that it's a simplified posting in the sense it's a single image and it's 280 characters or less. So I know that you're very good at posting. I watched a live video of you doing this, of you doing a Wheel of Fortune lottery.
The giveaway.
Yeah, the giveaway. That was pretty cool. So you're very tech savvy, but we do have, for our value prop for our customers is that we want to make it easy for everyone. So we're trying to keep it simple.
Yeah.
So let's see what post you got here. Ray's going to show.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just hold it up to the camera. You don't have to go heel zoom.
It's got 3 posts remaining, and I've got in my characters and my photo.
She's logged in, so this is just a browser. She's logged into virtual storefronts, and then this is what the merchant view looks like. It says how many posts you have. You get 3 posts per week, and so that tells you how many are remaining. And now she's just gonna hit the red button. And, you got it. It will.
Oh, okay.
It just there's no. We're working on the load bar, so there will be a load bar. So it's now uploading, and there it is. There might be 2 of them, and there it is. It's automatically coming into the live feed.
Andrews feed.
Yeah, the Andrews feed. So because she is about 1,000 yards away, she is included in the 25-mile radius of our Andrews, North Carolina live feed, which is located at the homepage now of Virtual Storefront. So every merchant within that 25-mile radius has access to the homepage. So come see us Wednesday to Friday, 10 to 5, and Saturday, 10 to 6, and check out a rack of already made graphic tees on sale for $15. So Taylor makes the designs, and there you have it. We have a rack of t-shirts ready to go. That's the post. First post, thank you.
That was
Good job.
easy.
So our engagement, so the thing that we want people to do is go to her feed and they can follow. You tap that, and then we'll go over this. Ray has a great tutorial for hidden features that we're now revealing, which is shoppers can create an account in 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, and follow all of their awesome favorite businesses on Virtual Storefront. They can follow Taylor, they can follow and smoking Dragon Ass Smoked Barbecue. Everyone they want to follow, they can follow on Virtual Storefronts. Very simply. And the way that we look at it is your engagement is at the register. We want people to come down and buy stuff from you. That's that's where we measure engagement. That's why this show is called the Local Register. But you made we don't have okay.
It was a digital mock-up.
Yeah, the mock-up we need to show. I'm gonna have to bring up Twitter and okay, so Taylor has done some cool mock-ups for us, and she's kind of all over our social media, so we're gonna have to bring up some stuff here. This is it. She did this mock-up for us, which I thought was great. Ray's ready to buy one. Yeah, I think we're ready for this. I'm ready to walk around in a t-shirt with giant letters on the back. So
grab
this is
everyone's attention.
Yeah, this is great. So she actually took one of our outbound messages and kind of tweaked it so that it became our message, which was cool. And this right here is the local. That is how Taylor imagines the Local Register show logo, which I think is awesome. And then now we got to go to TikTok. Let's just go to Virtual Storefronts. So if we do a search for Virtual Storefronts, I know how to slay this dragon. All right, we just go. This is our informational site. This is where you, as a merchant, can purchase a Virtual Storefront, or if you have someone to recommend, you can refer your favorite business and get yourself a hat or a mug, or tickets to the show. We're doing tickets to the show now.
It up here.
Oh, you got it up there?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can. I'm going to see if we can get. Let's see if that works. We are on. All right. So this is one of the earliest. This is the second TikTok, and I don't understand why it doesn't have more plays. This needs to go viral right now. Ready? So, this is a really great.
On our way to tell the world that we solve all their website problems with a cheap and easy solution.
Inexpensive and easy, but yes.
On our way to tell the world that we solve
We love
all
this.
their website problems with a cheap and easy solution.
Yeah, well,
On our way to tell the world
I only
that we
watched this
solve
about
all their website problems
50 or 60 times. But it's
On our
brilliant,
way
right?
To tell the world that we solve all their website problems with a cheap and easy solution.
Okay, well, there we have it. Yeah. So that's one of the TikToks. Oh, and then the keychain. Can you grab that keychain over there? Yeah.
Where is it?
It's right behind that thing. Yep. Taylor made me this keychain, which is awesome. This, you can actually, viewers, you can just pause right now and scan that QR. It'll take you right to the buy page on Virtual Storefront. So it'll take you right to the order page. Take you right here, and you can order in 5 minutes.
Yep. And on the back of that shirt, people walking behind you can scan your back.
yeah. People can use this QR to scan to go right to our buy page. We're trying to make this as easy as possible for you. And all you have to do is fill out this basic information. Takes 5 minutes. Plug in, choose your plan here. It's $18 a month plus $50 for setup. Or if you choose a $199 plan, there's no setup charge. It's all included. Boom. Plug in your credit card, submit. 7 days. You're going to get a link from one of our merchant ambassadors like Ray or Jamel or Chase, and you will then have a storefront just like Taylor does, which is a website solution that she doesn't have to think about. Like,
Yes.
she was like beaming, and she created this because she was very busy when I walked in. She's like, if I could have just scanned the thing and then that
Because
was
after I slowed down, I was like, okay, I really want to sign up for that. Where's that pamphlet? And I was like looking, and I was like, what was the website? And then I was like, he needs a QR code, because I could have scanned it and then later on pulled it up. Just it would have been there.
it was like brilliant. And so she actually made this and gave it to me like the next day, which is too awesome. Yeah, that's why we like being right here in Andrews, North Carolina.
Yeah.
Good neighbors. All right. I think that's anything else you want to mention, or is it?
No.
We thank you for doing your first post on Virtual Storefront.
Yep.
Adding another outbound messaging platform is a big deal. So we take this seriously. We're trying to make it very simple for you, so you don't have to think about it too much.
Yeah.
Keep it limited.
Yeah, it was really easy.
Good. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in to First Post at the local register.
Yeah.
This is Taylor. You'll be seeing Taylor again for sure.